I have here tutorial about upload and rename file in PHP 7. I will start now. Open XAMPP control panel. I will type localhost browse1.php. Then choose file. See the file name in here. Click open. I will rename this file to rolysmith. Click upload ID. I will locate now the file. And locally C. Some folder. And it's the docs. Here it is, the new file. rolysmith.jpg. When using web host, the new file will be saved to public HTML. I will now start the code. In here, I will use bootstrap. And be sure the computer is connected to the internet. I will provide to you the code of the bootstrap. Just read the description after the video. A PHP form action attribute specifies the location to transfer the submitted user's information. The post method transfers information via HTTP headers, while enctype equals multi-part form data is an encoding type that allows files to be sent through a post. Div tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document. Class form group provides a flexible class that encourages proper grouping of labels, controls, optional help text, and form validation messaging. Label element is used to associate a text label with a form input field. Call sm insert. They are used to define at which screen size that class should apply. Input type file defines a file select field and a browse button for file uploads. A form control is a user interface control that serves as the point of connection between the user and the server. Create an HTML form that allows users to choose the image file they want to upload. The name attribute specifies the name such file name of an input element, which is text. This defines a submit button for submitting the form. Value attribute specifies the value of an input element. An HTML element usually consists of a start tag and end tag with the content inserted in between. Now let's proceed to the other code, which is rename 1. This line, file name goes to the variable name. The expression I set $post submit return true only if submit is an existing parameter, i.e. if the user has sent a value using an HTML form. This line replaces any file extension to .jpg of the file name. Target sets that any file will be going to public HTML directory. That base name accepts parameter path the directory and suffix such the JPEG. Move uploaded file function moves an uploaded file to a new destination. Let us test the program. I observe that browse button is gone. I will find out the error. Now, let's start. Choose File. Then write file name on the input box. Example, Richards Smith. Click Upload ID. We will locate the file in locally C SAMP folder. Go to htdocs. Richard Smith, the JPEG is found. I will zoom it. I hope you liked the video.